Audi has always been synonymous with luxury cars. From the iconic Quattro to the sporty R8, Audi consistently delivers sophistication. The Audi A8, as their flagship sedan, embodies this legacy. It represents the pinnacle of Audi's design philosophy. This is more than a car, it's a statement. The exterior of the Audi A8 is a masterclass in understated elegance. Its lines are sleek and aerodynamic, giving it a sense of motion even when standing still. The signature single-frame grille dominates the front, flanked by sharp LED headlights that seem to pierce the darkness. The A8 silhouette is instantly recognizable. It's a car that turns heads wherever it goes. The A8's design emphasizes smooth, flowing lines that create a sense of movement. The car's profile is sleek and aerodynamic, culminating in a gently sloping roofline that flows seamlessly into the rear deck lid. This design not only enhances the car's visual appeal, but also contributes to its impressive fuel efficiency by reducing drag. Stepping inside the A8 is like entering a luxurious mobile lounge. The finest materials, from premium leather to real wood veneers, adorn every surface. Every detail exudes craftsmanship. The seats are not just seats, they're climate-controlled thrones designed for long journeys. Technology seamlessly integrates into the design. The result is a cabin that is both opulent and intuitive. The centerpiece of the A8's interior is the MMI touch response system. This dual-screen setup replaces traditional buttons and knobs, providing haptic feedback for a more intuitive experience. The upper screen handles navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, while the lower display manages climate control and comfort functions. The Audi A8 doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them. Compared to its predecessors, it's sharper, more technologically advanced, and even more luxurious. Features like the predictive active suspension, which uses cameras to scan the road ahead and adjust the suspension accordingly, set it apart from the competition. This is a car that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in a luxury sedan. In a world saturated with flashy designs, the Audi A8 stands apart with its timeless elegance and sophisticated restraint. It's a car that whispers rather than shouts, and its message is clear. This is the epitome of luxury. The A8 doesn't need to boast. Its presence alone speaks volumes. It's a car for those who appreciate the finer things in life and demand nothing but the best.
Attention gearheads! Rev up your curiosity with Road Titan's Insight. Discover latest features, in-depth reviews of your favorite vehicles. Your engagement helps us create even more interesting and informative contents. So please, don't forget to support us by liking this video and subscribe our channel and smash that bell icon for instant updates. Thanks for watching.